guys, before we jump into today's video, I've got a quick shout out to our first sponsor for today's video, W Energy. Tired of those sugar-loaded, crash-heavy energy drinks? Same. That's why I made the switch to W. It's a clean energy formula. No sugar, no fillers, no jitters, just smooth, focused energy that actually works. Whether I'm recording, editing, chilling with the boys, or just grinding through the day, W helps me stay locked in without the crash. Zero sugar, zero artificial dyes, no maltodextrin or BS fillers, just clean focus and energy. Oh, and the flavors? Fire. My personal favorite is Tiger's Blood, but honestly, you can't go wrong. Support the channel and fuel your day. Use code REDDIRTTRUCKS at checkout for 10% off your order at dubby.gg. That's DUBBY.GG. Now for our sponsors over at Chassis Unlimited. The people making bumpers tougher than your ex's attitude. If you're rocking a truck, SUV, or anything that looks like it might scream in bald eagle, Chassis Unlimited has the gear to make it meaner, stronger, and actually useful. We're talking heavy-duty front and rear bumpers, winch mounts built like tanks, bed racks, roof racks, armor, basically everything you need to make your rig apocalypse ready. Or just look cooler at Starbucks. We don't judge. It's American made, built to last, and honestly, if your truck doesn't have Chassis Unlimited gear on it, is it even trying? Hit up chassisunlimited.com. Your truck and your dignity will thank you. Let's get back to the chaos, but now with more steel. If you're tired of cheap toggle switches or spaghetti wiring under your dash, this video is for you. Today on Red Dirt Trucks, we're installing a factory-style AUX switch kit in this Silverado that'll clean up your interior and give you real control over your accessories. This is one of the cleanest mods we've done yet, and it's completely plug and play. Let's get into it. So here's what we're installing. This is the Upfitter Auxiliary Switch Kit from 404parts.com. It gives you 5 factory-style switches, just like the OEM trucks with the Upfitter package. But this one's for guys like us who didn't get it from the factory. It's designed for 2019 through 2025 GM trucks. Silverado, 1000, 500, 2000, 500 HD, 3000, 500 HD, even the new Sierras. No cutting, no splicing, just plug it in and go. First, we are going to start taking off each panel gently. Each panel will have an assortment of either T, 15, or 7mm screws. Some panels are just clipped in.
There it goes.
You got it.
Yeah, just don't break it. Go put this back. Oh. All right, now let's do this heater core. Oh, cool.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f is that?
It's all right, that part ain't expensive. It's just a Chevy. Okay, well, that's how you do that. Yeah, there we go. Take a couple bites. There she goes.
All 5 switches are lit. They're programmable, and they power anything from a light bar to a compressor to your rock lights. This mod just makes sense. The install was simple, the switches are clean, and it gives your truck that OEM look that fits the red dirt truck style. Big shout out to 404parts.com for getting this out quick. Links in the description if you want to pick one up for your truck. If you like clean installs, lifted trucks, and building rigs that actually get used, make sure you're subscribed. We've got more installs and a full build update coming soon.